John Hawkins here with Wilderness. We are inside the new 2018 Wilderness Ultralight 3375 KL. We're going to take a look at some features inside the coach here. Some that are consistent with the Wilderness product and some just specific to the 3375. So the first thing you're going to notice about the interior of the 3375 KL is going to be the opposing slides in the living room area. So we've got two large slides on each side, giving you plenty of entertainment space, plenty of room to walk around inside this coach. It's a very large floor plan. Living room has a 40-inch TV, nice fireplace. This is a 50 amp service on this coach, so we do have the fireplace. We've got the two ACs in here. Trifold sofa in the living room, as well as reclining theater seats on this side. So you get both the sofa and the theater seats in here, sitting directly across from the TV. So it's got, you know, great cross-conversational seating, as well as nice position for watching the TV. All 3375s have the freestanding dinette as a standard, so it's going to come with that. You get the 4 chairs, and then you have a leaf extension in the table as well. So some of our main construction features with the Wilderness that's going to set it apart from any other brand are going to be the construction of the floors and the roof and the sidewalls. We've already talked about the sidewalls being 2 inches versus most other manufacturers being 1.5 inches. With our floors, it is a fully laminated floor. What you're going to notice is that there are no vents that are run through the floor. No ductwork is actually run through the floor. It is one solid laminated piece. So there's no soft spots. There's no give to any of this. And you'll find that when you walk in here. You're going to find out how sturdy it is, how just better built it feels than any other brand out there. So with our vents in the floor, we do run them up through some of the cabinetry. We'll pop up through there and put the vents in there rather than putting them in the floor. The ceiling, go up to there. It is a crown ceiling. It is crowned both inside and outside. Obviously for the inside, it's crowned because of head height. Head height gives you more room inside. On the exterior, it's crowned for water and debris runoff, so you don't have as much maintenance on the ceiling. So again, it is fully vacuum bonded and laminated. You can see there it is a nice sturdy build. You're not going to want to pound on every ceiling and all the other brands that you might walk through. It is crowned inside. It's inside crowned for head height, obviously. On the outside, it's crowned as well. That's going to give you water and debris runoff. Less maintenance is going to be required on the roof of the coach. Starting over here in the kitchen, we've got the standard 3-burner cooktop. It does have a glass cover for the cooktop, giving you more countertop surface when it's not in use. With the oven as well. Microwave. One of the best features in the 3375 KL is going to be our dual 6 cubic foot refrigerators. So we've got 2 opposing refrigerators, giving you 12 cubic feet of refrigerator storage space. So we're doing that because this is a large floor plan. This floor plan is not just set up for your weekend warrior. It's set up to kind of go out on weeks at a time, months at a time. So we wanted to make sure that the retail owner has ample storage space for all of their food, all their beverages, whatever you want to put in here. We've got our nice large island in the 3375 here. You get a stainless steel sink, single basin sink, stainless steel faucet. That is a pull-down sprayer on it. Very nice full metal faucet. Plenty of storage space. We've got storage underneath the island, storage over here as well, and overhead storage there. All of our drawers are nice solid wood drawers with ball-bearing drawer guides. You can hold a lot of weight in here. They're not just some flimsy drawer with plastic drawer guides that are going to fall apart. New pendant lighting for the 2018, as well as the new countertop colors. New wall panel colors. There's an accent wall panel and our standard wall panel here. We've kind of brightened up the interior, so it gives you a lot more homey feeling. It's a more contemporary feel inside the new 2018 Wilderness. Okay, here we are in the bedroom of the 3375. One thing you'll notice is it has a king-size bed. This is the only floor plan in Wilderness that gives you that option. You can get a king-size bed in the slide-out. It's kind of set up like a 5th wheel in here. You've got a lot of room to walk around. There's a nice-sized dresser. Very large wardrobe in the front, so you can store all of your clothes in here. It gives you plenty of storage space, as well as washer dryer prep. So it's the only floor plan in Wilderness that has the washer dryer prep available. That is a standard option or standard equipment for the 3375. Overhead storage here, overhead storage above the bed. You've got plenty of storage space in this coach. It does have the 13.5 AC in here, as well as another 13.5 standard AC in the back of the coach. Those are dual ducted in the living room area, and then this has your standalone AC for the bedroom.